Hello there.
So there I was perusing YouTube on a Sunday night, like I always do, when I suddenly got this recommended video. And I was like, oh, that's pretty interesting. I like business ideas. So I go ahead and click on it, but then I saw this.
Created. Again, the point of this workflow is to actually solve real world problems that small businesses are facing.
Oh! Dude!
What the? You know, I just love how a lot of people call these things AI or AI agents, but to be honest, they're just workflows with a sprinkle of an NLM node somewhere around there. But what if I told you you could do exactly what they did, all of it, plus more, in a few seconds, and you won't even need to build any type of workflow? All you need to do is just prompt it. By the way, if you haven't noticed yet, you're on a channel where we showcase our general AI agent that we built, and her name is Nelima. We have tons of other videos where we showcase what she can do. And yeah, if you want to, you can go ahead and check those out later. Or also, please subscribe. Okay, so the goal is pretty simple. Find real business problems from people on Reddit. And we're gonna go ahead and just skip all of these tedious steps that these drag and drop builders like NA8 or Zapier have, where you have to like set up the parameters and filter any type of data. And I promise you, we're going to do this in one prompt. It's going to be really, really easy. Just try. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's rewind a bit and I'll show you how we actually got here. The first step is to go to this website, salgen.com. If you don't have an account already, just click on here on the top right and you'll be able to create one. It is super easy to set up and it will take you only 2 minutes, I promise. So once that's done, you can just go ahead and click here and you'll be able to be taken to Nelima's interface. And now I just need to write the prompt and tell exactly what I want. And this is what I came up with. Basically, this tells Nelima to scan Reddit for posts where people discard real frustrations and problems, filter out any of the noise, and then capture key infos like the subreddit, the post URL, the upvotes, a short summary, and a possible business solution. It then organizes everything into a CSV file called reddit/ideas. Now, one thing that the guys in the YouTube video did was output the information into a Google Sheet. We actually built Nelima with something we call the agentic storage. Basically, it's an operating system with a file system. So you can actually do everything like create, read, and update file straight in Nelima. Even the likes of OpenAI, Anthropic, or Gemini don't even have this. And we also made a YouTube video about it, if you're curious. And okay, Nelima comes back saying she managed to do it. She even gave a summary of what she was able to gather in this beautiful UI. Beautiful. And if you open this bad boy, this is what the Excel looks like. Oh, just look at this beautiful Excel sheet. By the way, this file is now stored in your agentic storage, so you'll be able to build on top of it. And we did all that in just one single prompt. I told you it would happen. But wait, I got more. What if you want to schedule this, for example, every morning? It can be a little bit tough, but yeah, it's that easy. Like, I'm not even kidding when I say just how simple it is to actually use Nelima. And once she confirms that the task has been scheduled, like is shown here, you can also click on the services button right here and see all your scheduled tasks. I think by now you've realized just how powerful Nelima can be for something that is free and you can use it in the next 5 minutes. It's super simple. And you can be super creative as well in how you actually use it. Hopefully for this specific use case, I've convinced you that Nelima is a pretty awesome AI solution so you can get your next $1 million ideas. Oh, and before you leave, these videos take quite a long time to make, and we're really trying to provide high quality but also engaging content while still doing a proper demo. So if you stick till the end, I would really appreciate a like and a sub. It would mean the world to us. We're just two guys building this. We're also working on a groundbreaking feature that would allow users to do thousands of tasks, meaning you would get thousands of results. You just kind of need to prompt how many you want. And if you're curious or want to ask questions directly to us, come over and join us on our Discord channel. And give us also a follow on our Twitter/X. And I'll see you in the next video.